Today, what's on the agenda today?
I think we're gonna do some wiring, and then some wiring.
Yeah.
Yeah, get in here and do some wiring, y'all. That's always fun.
Yeah, I guess we'll try to work on making a gauge mount and fixing this fuse panel.
Oh, well, we ain't really doing no wiring. Okay.
We're gonna try to do what we can do. I guess we're gonna start with that shit.
Yeah.
Because it needs to be done. Get everything mounted where it needs to be and then wire it up. And we was thinking maybe making a panel that's made to the roll cage right there that the dash sits over. The panel stays there.
We did that and didn't even get to use it. That was a rough draft. So now we're going all in on
Had to do some fine tuning, which was change everything.
You know what I learned? Yeah. So what are you gonna do? You gonna fix it?
Probably not, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Now, what I really need to do is just load it on a trailer and bring it to your house and make it your problem.
Yeah, but see, we can't come down there and mess with no daggone Fords. That ain't us. We Chevy guys. We can't have that. What they call that? You gotta have gloves and you gotta have your body covered. You can't have your skin shown.
Oh, FTD.
Yeah, you get a FTD.
A what?
A FTD.
What the hell is an FTD?
A Ford transmitted disease.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. I don't even know why I indulged. I got a Ford right here that's got 180,000 miles on it and takes a shit about once a week.
You need to get something old that runs.
Man, when I get in something,
When you got a problem with a truck like mine, you go out there and you smack the carburetor around with a screwdriver and start it up, man. You go on.
you know, when I get into mine, I want the step to fold down.
Oh Lord.
And then when I sit in the seat and put the key in the ignition, I want it to adjust the seat
And
to how
say,
I had it.
and say hi.
I
Hey.
want the radio to talk to me, give me a little pep talk, and then when I crank it, I want it to crank up, and I want to just connect my phone to the Bluetooth on the radio and have my backup camera and all that.
Look, I had the backup camera before you was born too.
Oh, I bet.
It's
Would
called
you know?
mirrors. That's what they put them on there for. You don't need no damn camera. We ain't taking pictures behind us. That's for, you know what that is? That's just admitting to me that you can't drive backwards.
Shit, I can drive blindfolded backwards.
Well, why the hell you need a camera and all that?
Because
And you can't even reach down, grab a lever, and move your damn seat. Hell, they already make them where you got a button. You just hit the button to scoot you up. You want the damn truck to do it. You keep on and your gender's gonna change. I can't wait to get my truck done because I'm gonna put you in there and get a reaction to your face.
no, you ain't.
Why not?
Because I don't even ride with Emma to go to the grocery store.
Well, that's Emma. Emma's your wife. I'm blood, buddy.
I'll drive it for you.
No, you won't.
Run it right. You know, it'll probably be a while, but I'll drive it for you.
I don't know about that, sir.
I got a little honeybee trying to fight me for my Red Bull this morning.
Are you still drinking that?
Oh, absolutely.
Boy, it ain't no wonder you driving that damn truck you got.
Well, you drank about 7 cups of coffee.
That's all right. That's man drink.
Oh, hell.
All right. Well, I'm gonna tell you what. I got this big box, a big box of just fluorescent, different color spray paints, like pink and orange and
Oh, You want to spray paint your S10?
No, I'm gonna bring it.
See, you want to make a commercial?
Look, I'm gonna bring it up there because it's made for plastic and stuff. So I figure if we work on your truck, we'll take all your plastic off and we'll paint it all up.
Oh, here we go. Now, why would you want to go and do a thing like that?
It might run better.
Alright, let's find us some metal. Let's find us some metal and start this journey here. What kind of metal is that?
Alright, let's see. What we use. Last time we used this. This is the exercise machine thing, ain't it?
Nah, this is different.
Oh. Alright, I'll tell you what this is. TV
Yeah.
stand.
Yeah.
We're gonna use the TV stand in there. Put the gauges in this box. Put the box through the roll cage inside of there. It's gonna work, ain't it?
Yeah.
This gonna get broke.
Is it?
Yeah.
But don't break it.
Well, shit. Sometimes you gotta get in here. Get out. This is, it's gonna be, steering column's gonna turn into something one day.
You'll need a whole damn race.
Yeah. How you do that? Oh shit. Yeah. Whole steering wheel gotta come off. Keep a ratchet in there. Hold on.
My non-quick disconnect.
Yeah. I know where shit's on. I torque that baby. Give me the bar.
How you gonna take it? You just gonna reach up in there with all them wires? Alright. We'll cross that path when we get to it. Right now, let's do something. Let's cut this dash up.
Are we making it this long?
I don't know.
That's my question.
We're gonna try to cut this thing to fit in there, y'all. We don't know what we don't. So we're just gonna cut and trim until something works out. Is that right?
I think so. You gotta snuck it down. I ain't trying to stay here and hold this thing flying around. No telling what was about to happen on that deal.
I need some supervision. Oh, I got the people going, didn't even think about it. We was trying to show them what we had going on.
No.
What we got going on.
This is what we got going on, y'all. We cut this out to fit in there, in that piece. We got these here that's legs. We're gonna weld these on.
Oh my God.
We're gonna weld them babies on just like that. And they get on arch. We're gonna put screw holes in it. That way we can, if we need to take the gauges out, we can unbolt the whole thing and take this whole piece out. But if we gotta take the dash out without taking all the gauges out, we built this to go in there.
Long story short, this is what we're doing.
Hey, you told me to tell the people. I'm telling them exactly what we've been
You had
doing.
an old man, long,
Yeah, I gotta
drawn
tell 'em.
out story.
Yeah, making sure they know what the heck's going on. This is what it is, y'all.
This is what it is.
And then you got another C back there that's welded on the roll cage.
Some more stuff. You done yet?
No, hold on, I'm not finished. I gotta get this out. Another C piece. We're gonna put on the other side of the roll cage, weld it, and then put bolts in it. And that's gonna hold this and the gauges. That way we can
Separate
take the
from the
dash
dash.
out and the gauges can stay in
That
there.
was a long story, bro.
Well, now they know exactly how it's gonna work.
Yeah, I followed all of that.
You did?
Yeah,
Was it good?
the people are good. So why get the gauges to come out like that?
So if we gotta take the dash off, we could take it all off and not have to take all the wires and gauges and stuff loose.
Like a quick connect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just pull the dash.
So if you got a wire problem, we can just pull the dash out. The way we do wiring, we gotta have a quick disconnect dash. I added one extension, then I was extending my extension. We gonna have about 30 butt connectors in there.
What's this big wire go to this little wire?
I don't know, bro. I got lost last night. I actually hooked these to the wrong ones, I believe.
Yeah. I remember that. That's why I stayed away from the blue ones yet.
You making them all the same length?
Nope.
I got my wires wired in there, and I just took some electrical tape and taped that up. We're just gonna shove all that mess back in there.
So you think there's gonna be a wire problem?
No.
Eventually, if he's...
No, eventually.
Burning that treated wood.
Smells great and bad at the same time.
Hey, it's welded.
Yeah.
That's how you know.
It went through.
Cooking the wood.
Now you melted the paint on the front. Now you gotta sand this down and paint.
I knew that.
You
I knew that one was gonna weld. You know, I was gonna burn in there. It'll take a lot of wire, but we gonna get it burned in there. Let's burn in there.
Yeah, you melted a hole in this side of it.
Yeah, that's good stuff. Ain't never gonna report.
It's gonna work, got it.
So this is what we got.
Putting this pole on it.
No, but that's the roll cage.
That's the roll cage.
Yeah, and then you take these and they're gonna be welded to the roll cage. So that way we
Both
can
of them?
move it. See that? See how that works? See that? The
Learning,
genius.
you learning stuff with us?
Real genius.
So now we gotta weld those little C's into place. C's for cruisers. Them your cruiser brackets.
This is what we did today.
What we did.
Man, that's a show truck now, and we can't drag this thing. We gotta clean it up and trailer clean this bay. You see them parts in there?
Now let's get to the dash and see if it's gonna work. We
I'm
need to
digging that right there without a dash.
Hey, look at it. There it is, y'all, all day. We gotta put the fuse box too. Man, we still got a bunch of shit.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 7 more videos on
Could be a
getting
whole
this
nother
wired
winter
up.
project.
Just doing the wiring.
Doing the wiring.
Feel good like it? You smoking the truck up already.
Man, it's
Dang.
your fault.
Dang, bro. Always smoking.
Always smoking,
Look.
man.
We clean the truck
Got
up.
the truck in here, it smells like cigarettes.
Alright, the nighttime bugs are out. Guess that's it for this one.
Hey, ding bug.
The dinger. Don't forget to hit the dinger.
Yeah, it's a ding
Hit the dinger. That's it for this one.
bug. Till next time.
See ya.
You didn't do it right.
That's it for this one. Till next time.
See
See ya.
Still didn't.
Didn't get it.
Close.
Sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't.
Twins. We didn't come out at the same time.